after you signing in to your TurboTax account under turbotax.intuit.com. You want to click on this federal button at the left side of your screen. Then click on Wages and Income button just below it, which will open up this selections, and hover your mouse over Income selection. Then choose on Wages and Income Summary, which will take you to this page, and it will showing your current W-2 form that you already input beforehand. On here, click on Add or Edit button besides it. Then click on Add another W-2 button. Before you reach this page, if you were filing with your spouse or another person that qualify for inserting W-2, TurboTax will give you a choice to insert their W-2 instead of your W-2. Either way, on this window, you want to add your employer ID number or EIN that was mentioned at the box B on your own W-2 form. After that, hit the Continue button. From here, you may start to take a photo of your W-2 form, or you may upload it if you have the soft file of your W-2 like PDF, JPG, or PNG type of file, and you may also just typing it manually. After that, you may follow the instructions from TurboTax. If you choose to upload it, TurboTax will automatically insert and calculate your taxes, saves a lot of time. But for this video, I am going to choose for type it manually. Feel free to skip this stage. Then after you fill up your W-2 form, as you can see, I am successfully added second W-2. You may add another W-2 just by clicking on this Add Another W-2 button. If you still have any question, just comment down below, and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.